Now, trading without enough capital can be detrimental to your growth as a forex trader. That is something that many of you guys have actually sent me messages, private messages, trying to ask me how they can increase on their capital. But one thing I always tell you guys is that in the beginning part of my trading journey, I did not have tens of thousands of dollars. No, I had just a very small account. That was an account of $50, $10, sometimes $100, like that. And I would try to flip those accounts into relatively large accounts. But that was very, very difficult. And it took me a very, very long time of depositing, blowing to realize that you cannot trade with a very small account, which is $200 to $300, for you to actually earn a living through trading. That is why we need prop firms. Prop firms are here to give us trading capital as long as you can pass the challenges. Now, Funded Trader Markets is a prop firm that has introduced 3 types of account challenges. That is the instant funding, where you don't need to go through any challenge, you get instantly funded. The 2-step challenge, which is the standard one that everyone knows, and also the 1-step challenge. Now, I'll show you that in a moment. But before we go there, if you're new to the channel, give a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below. If you want to scale your capital, you need prop firms. You really need prop firms. That is if you want to increase on your earning potential. Take the knowledge that I am sharing with you guys here on the channel and put it into practice. Some of you guys just come and watch the videos. Maybe you just watch the videos because you want to watch the videos. But what is the benefit that you're getting from my channel by you watching my videos and not putting in the work or putting into practice the knowledge that you're getting? It doesn't benefit you in any way. That is why I'm encouraging you, try to invest in yourself, challenge yourself, and see if you can actually pass some of these challenges from Funded Trader Markets, and see if the strategies that you're learning can actually help you pass a prop firm challenge. Now, Funded Trader Markets has given you the best trading rules. These rules allow you to pass your challenge without so much of a struggle. Some prop firms have hidden rules, hidden agendas. Don't trade the news, don't trade this, don't do that. But with Funded Trader Markets, all the rules are clearly stipulated on the website. You are allowed to trade the news. You are allowed to do very many things, including trading with EAs, hedging, and all that. You are allowed to do all those things. All the rules are clearly stipulated on the website. And one test that you can actually do to prove that a prop firm is legit is you trade the prop firm and get funded. If you are funded and you make your trades and make profit, and then you ask for a withdrawal and your withdrawal is denied, or they put you through so many rules, okay, do this first, do this before you get a withdrawal, then you know that that prop firm is not legit. But if the prop firm processes your withdrawal as they promise on their website, then that can be what you would call a litmus test to know that a prop firm is legit. Now, Funded Trader Markets has so far processed for me a withdrawal once. Now, this is going to be my second withdrawal, as I will show you guys as the video progresses along. Now, before we go onto the dashboard and onto the screen, I'd like you guys to consider using the link in the description in case you want to sign up with Funded Trader Market, so that we can be on the same page. Get started with a small account, even if it is the $15 account or $28 account. Test Funded Trader Market out and see for yourself if they actually deliver. Now, guys, let's go onto the screen and let's look at some of the features, some of the account types that Funded Trader Market has to offer. Let's get started, guys. We are going to compare Funded Trader Markets to other leading prop firms and show you why most of the traders I have actually talked to or interacted with are switching from those prop firms to trading with Funded Trader Markets. Now, we are going to cover the payouts, the drawdowns, the pricing, the consistency rules, and more, so that you can make a better informed decision while you choose to trade with Funded Trader Markets. Now, let's start with something that affects every trader, and that is the swap fees. Funded Trader Market offers swap-free trading by default. Even on Wednesdays and weekends where you hold your trades overnight, there is no extra cost to your trading when you hold your trades overnight or through the weekend. Most prop firms still charge swap fees or limit swap-free access to special requests. So right away, Funded Trader Market gives you a cleaner, fairer setup. Let's look at the payout flexibility, guys. Most firms make you wait for 2 weeks or even a full month before you can withdraw profits. At Funded Trader Markets, there is no payout cycle at all. You can request a payout whenever you want, as long as you've traded for at least 5 days and achieved 0.5% per day based on your starting balance. I've shown you guys how I've been able to get a payout within a very short time after trading a funded account with funded trader markets, guys. You have control of when you get paid, not the prop firm. And it even gets better. The average payout processing time is around 2 hours or less. I've shown you guys in my previous video that I actually received my payout in less than 15 minutes. I had my payout. Yes, sometimes it goes beyond that. Sometimes it goes beyond 2 hours, beyond 3 hours, but it is not more than 24 hours. Funded trader markets offers you double your payout if they do not process your payout within 24 hours. So you can be able to trade with them with peace of mind. Now let's look at the pricing. When it comes to affordability, funded trader markets is again ahead of the curve. Their challenge prices are often 50% cheaper than other leading prop firms without cutting corners or rules on payouts, right? So you can start with less capital, pass your challenge, and still enjoy the same high quality funding structure. Now let's talk support. You know that customer support can make or break your experience with a prop firm, especially if you are in a different time zone. That's why funded trader market offers you 24/7 live support, so you can reach someone anytime, anywhere in the world. Most firms only respond during limited hours, but FTM operates on trader time, not office time. Let's look at the drawdown rules. Some of the biggest firms use a 5% equity-based trailing drawdown. That means even if your trade goes temporarily negative, your equity can drop and trigger an account breach, and your account is breached. You receive an email saying your account has been breached, even if the trade later recovers and goes into profit. Funded trader markets takes a smarter approach. They also use trailing drawdown, but it is based on your balance, not equity. So only the closed trades count. You have more breathing room and your account isn't punished for floating drawdowns, all right? And here is something else, guys. Other firms apply a shield style system on their instant funding accounts, a hard breach that instantly disables your account if violated. But with funded trader markets, it applies a similar concept only to their instant plus account, but it is a soft breach, meaning your account stays active. You just get a lower profit split temporarily. So it is still trader friendly and far less punishing than most of the competitors, guys. Now, when it comes to consistency rules, guys, many traders love to hate the consistency rule. While some firms require a 15% consistency score for instant accounts, guys, funded trader markets allows a 20% consistency score, giving traders more flexibility in performance. And for two-step challenges, funded trader markets consistency cap is 40% compared to the industry's average of 35%. So even in the most debated area of prop firm trading, funded trader markets actually remains more generous and realistic, because they give you a fair chance for you to be able to pass a prop firm and also get funded and stay funded and also trade to get a payout. All right, let's do a recap of the comparison now. Funded trader market gives traders a swap-free account with no hidden fees. They give you instant payout requests without waiting for cycles or weeks. You get up to 50% cheaper challenges. You get a 24/7 support where all matters. You get a balance-based drawdown protection, not equity-based, so you can trade with peace of mind. And you have more flexible consistency rules to allow you to pass your challenge much easier. When you put all of that together, guys, it's clear that funded trader market isn't just another prop firm. It's a trader-first platform that is setting a new standard for fairness, guys, transparency and freedom. If you value control, speed, and trader focus conditions, this is a firm that you should be checking out, guys. Use the link in the description of the video to check out funded trader markets and start your journey to getting funded today. See you on board, guys. Here on my dashboard, as you can see, if you've not watched my previous video, you can go and watch it. This is the same account that I've been having and trading, and you can see that I have my request payout button right here, which I am going to click and then request a payout. This account, I have been able to be profitable with it. As you can see here, all these are the trades that I've taken, right? This week I didn't take any trade, but this is the week that I took all the other trades, which have given me the profit on this account. You can just go watch that video if you want to see the trade breakdown. There's a video before this one that I have uploaded on the channel. I'll also leave it at the end of this video for you to click it and go and watch the details of the trades that I took here. We can also look at the equity here. You can see the consistency score here is 24.47, which is excellent. You can see the trading days I have passed, and you can see my win rate is 80%. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to request for a payout. But before I do that, let me show you guys by going to the payouts here so that you can see my recent payout. This was my recent payout, which was $1,200 US. When you click on the approved one, it is this one here. It was approved. So I am going to request for another payout so that we can see how that is going to add on to this. So just for transparency, guys, all right? You can also see my payout certificate, which I am going to show you here. You can see my payout certificate and know that this is also legit. So let's go back to account overview. I click on the metrics, and then I am now going to request my payout here. So I'm just going to click here, request payout, okay, and then enter amount you wish to withdraw. So 1281. Let's do 1281. Payment method, I'm going to use crypto USDT TRC20. The address, let me get the address, paste it, then I'll come back. So I have pasted my USDT TRC20 address. So I'm just going to click confirm, enter authenticator code below. I'm going to just enter the code, then I'll come back, guys. I have submitted the payout. As you can see here, I have submitted my payout here. So my profit share is going to be $1,024, right? So I'll come back, guys, after it has been approved. Then we can see how long it takes to get approved, okay? So right now it's 3:20 p.m. in my country. So I'll check back with you guys in a moment once this is approved so that we can see how long it takes for it to land on my crypto wallet. As you can see here, it only took about 10 minutes or so, less than 10 minutes, about 7 minutes for the approval to be effected. As you can see, yeah, it took about 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. So the payment has been approved, the withdrawal has been approved. So if I go now to the approved ones here, we have 2 of them, okay? So my profit share is going to be $1,024 US, all right? So if we go back first to here, account, and go back to metrics, okay, you can see that the account now has been reset back to 50,000, okay? The withdrawal has been effected, and now my consistency score has gone back to 100% of 45, and all these metrics are going to be reset. As you can see here, I don't have any trades anymore here running. So when I start trading again on the account, it is going to populate, okay, and adjust these metrics here, all right? So I wanted to show you this so that you guys can see the transparency. Also, you can see that there is no more withdraw button here until I fulfill all the trading conditions, okay? Also, if we go to payout certificates, you can see here, this is now my new payout certificate here. I'll also put a bigger picture so that you can be able to see, okay? Get yourself funded by clicking the link in the description of the video. Go get yourself an account with Funded Trader Markets and get started on your journey to getting funded, guys. All right, so do not let this opportunity pass you by, okay? Make sure you also get involved using the link in the description. Go get yourself a funded account or get yourself a challenge account based on any of the styles that you like. All right, you may want a 1-step, 2-step, or you may just want instant funding. All these are available at FTM. Please make sure you use the link in the description, get yourself signed up, and start on your journey to getting funded. Thank you guys for watching the video till this moment. Until next time, guys, see you on board, see you in profits. Peace and out.